Hi, I'm Margaret, and today we're making coloured sugar. I often keep some made up on the shelf for decorating cakes because I never know when I'm going to need it. It's great on cupcakes. It's nice put around the edge of a cake to make it glisten and shine. And how about making a sugar rainbow on a large sponge cake? Wouldn't that be nice? I'm using gel food colour today. Popped it onto the sugar, mixed it up. I think I'm going to need to give this a good shake to spread that colour out evenly. Red is one of those colours that you need quite a bit of. It's the same when you colour fondant or icing. It's a very nice pink, but I think I'm going to have to come back to that if I want it bright and red. So let's have a go with the yellow. Again, mix it up and see where we go. You will need to experiment with the colours. It's best putting a little bit in first and adding more later if you want to. There, that's a better colour. Let's try the blue. See how much of this we need. Give it a mix and a shake. This is looking quite a light blue. I might need to put some more in this as well. So let's get back to that red. Let's add quite a bit more and give it a really good shake. You might need 2 or 3 goes, but if you do it little by little, you'll get just the colour you want to get. This one took a really long shake, but I got a beautiful red out of it now. So much better. And I think I want that blue a little bit darker, so let's add a bit of blue to that. Let's see how it comes out. The shaking will spread it around much better. There we go. Now you can see there are little bits of dark sugar in there where it hasn't quite spread out. And one thing you can do is you can sieve the sugar and it becomes a lot more smooth. So there we go. That's how we make coloured sugar. This little bit of video came from a Mother's Day cake I made some time ago, where I used red coloured sugar to make a pattern on the top before I added raspberries. It does make a nice decoration on top of the cake. And then finally, I also popped on a chocolate collar to make it nice and special. Here's a link to the recipe if you'd like to have a look. Well, thank you for watching today. It's always good to have you along. I appreciate your support. Have a good week, and I'll catch you soon.